The introduction of the Federal Decree Law No. 45 of 2021 on the Protection of Personal Data, PDPL, in the United Arab Emirates, UAE, marks a pivotal shift towards enhancing privacy rights and aligning with global data protection standards. This legislation, which came into effect on January 2, 2022, establishes a comprehensive legal framework for the protection of personal data within the UAE, extending its reach to international entities processing the data of UAE residents. It underscores the UAE's commitment to fostering a secure digital environment and promoting data privacy as a fundamental right. The PDPL is instrumental in defining the legal obligations for data controllers and processors, ensuring that personal data is handled with the utmost care and respect for privacy. The law categorizes personal data to encompass a wide range of information that can identify an individual, including but not limited to names, identification numbers, location data, and online identifiers. It also introduces the concept of sensitive personal data, which includes information that discloses racial or ethnic origin, political opinions, religious or philosophical beliefs, genetic data, biometric data for uniquely identifying a natural person, health data, and information concerning a person's sex life or sexual orientation. The handling of such sensitive data is subject to stricter processing conditions, reflecting the increased privacy risks associated with its misuse. The PDPL mandates that personal data must be processed based on clear legal grounds, such as consent, contractual necessity, legal obligations, protection of vital interests, public interest, or legitimate interests. This requirement ensures that personal data is not processed arbitrarily and that individuals have control over the personal information. Moreover, the law emphasizes transparency and accountability, requiring data controllers to implement appropriate measures to protect personal data from unauthorized access, accidental loss, destruction, or damage. This includes the adoption of technical and organizational measures to ensure data security, reflecting the law's emphasis on proactive and preventive data protection practices. Data subjects are empowered with several rights under the PDPL, including the right to access their personal data, the right to rectify inaccurate or incomplete data, the right to erase data under certain circumstances, and the right to restrict or object to data processing. These rights ensure individuals have significant control over their personal data and can hold data controllers accountable for their data processing practices. One of the hallmark features of the PDPL is its approach to cross-border data transfer. The law stipulates that personal data may only be transferred to jurisdictions that provide an adequate level of protection, as determined by the UAE's Data Protection Authority. This mirrors the European Union's GDPR, emphasizing the importance of maintaining data protection standards when transferring personal data internationally. To facilitate such transfers, the PDPL allows for the adoption of standard contractual clauses or other legal mechanisms that ensure an equivalent level of protection for personal data. The PDPL also introduces the requirement for certain organizations to appoint a Data Protection Officer, DPO. The DPO plays a crucial role in ensuring compliance with the PDPL, advising on data protection obligations, monitoring compliance, and serving as a point of contact for data subjects and the regulatory authority. This reflects the law's emphasis on governance, accountability, and internal oversight within organizations. Violations of the PDPL can result in substantial penalties, underscoring the UAE government's determination to enforce data protection standards rigorously. The regulatory authority is empowered to investigate complaints, conduct audits, and impose sanctions on entities that fail to comply with the law's provisions. This enforcement mechanism ensures that the PDPL is not merely aspirational but a tangible set of rules that organizations must follow to protect individuals' privacy rights. In conclusion, the Federal Decree Law No. 45 of 2021 on the protection of personal data signifies a significant advancement in the legal landscape of data protection in the UAE. It aligns the nation with international data protection standards and reinforces the UAE's position as a leader in digital innovation and privacy protection. By establishing clear rules for data processing, empowering individuals with rights over their personal data, and setting forth robust enforcement mechanisms, the PDPL plays a crucial role in fostering trust in the digital economy and safeguarding individuals' privacy in the digital age.